Are you ready to start your blogging journey but worried about space, security, or setup hassles? Look no further than RSH Web Services, one of the best and most secure blog hosting providers available today. With RSH Web Services, all the heavy lifting is done for you. No more worrying about website security, running out of storage, or complicated installations. We make it simple to launch your blog and take your online presence to the next level. Our hosting service includes some of the best blogging scripts and programs such as WordPress, Pubvana, .clear, Serendipity, B2 Evolution, Text Pattern, Movable Type, HTML, FlatPress, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned blogger, you'll have access to the tools you need to design, build, and grow your blog. What makes us stand out? Secure and reliable hosting. Your website's safety is our top priority. Affordable plans. Start your blog without breaking the bank. Hassle-free setup. Simplified registration gets your domain and blog online fast. Scalable features. Easily grow your blog as your audience grows. Expert support. We're here to help you every step of the way. Imagine having the freedom to focus on creating amazing content without the stress of technical challenges. With RSH Web Services, you can. From simplified domain registration to robust hosting features, we provide everything you need to succeed. Don't wait to make your mark online. Experience hassle-free blog hosting and take control of your website the right way. Whether you're starting a personal blog, a niche site, or an online publication, RSH Web Services has you covered. Get started today and watch your blogging dreams come to life.